Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to label something with tape. And these will be easy instructions, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a piece of tape, and I'm going to show you how to use something like this, a piece of tape just like this, to label something. Really easy to do, okay? So there are a couple of different methods, but basically you want to get tape that will allow you to write on it. So you can see right here I have painter's tape, also known as masking tape. I kind of use those words interchangeably, but I have some blue painter's tape over here, and you can write on this. So basically, something like this would be totally useful. So what you can do is a couple of different things. The first method is going to be to just literally stick it onto something and write on it. So if I wanted to label something, I could literally, I'll do it on my cheek over here. I could just stick it on here and I could just write directly on it, and that would allow me to label the thing just by writing on the tape just like that. That's the first method. If something is flat or if something is big and you have enough room to put the tape on it, then you can do it that way. But the other method, and I think the more common method that people would use to label things, I wouldn't say it's more common because, it depends on the situation. If the thing is big, where you can just put the tape flat on it, you're going to use that method right there. Put it on flat, right on the tape, you're good to go, okay? It's that simple. That's if something is big. Now, on the other hand, if something is smaller, what you can do is you can use the tape to wrap it around the thing. So let's say it was something as big as my finger or even smaller, like a cord, and you wanted to label it, right? It can be a cord, it can be a rope, it can be anything really, to be honest with you. Anything that, is smaller. It can be something even that's the size of two of my fingers. So if I wanted to label something that's the size of two of my fingers, I could do this as well. But essentially, if you can wrap the tape around something, right, then what you can do is, I'll use my finger as an example here. I'm going to wrap the tape around my finger, and I'm going to tape the tape to each other. So you can see, I'm going to try and line it up so that it actually, it doesn't, the no sticky part is exposed. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to tape the tape to each other, just like that. So you can see, I wrapped it around my finger and I taped the tape to each other, right? There's an extra little piece over here. I'm going to fold it over so that it's not sticky. Nothing sticky is exposed. And what I can do now is I can label this, and I can label it finger. Okay, so now I know this is my finger. Okay, very simple. That's basically it. If something is flat or big, you can just stick the tape on it and write on it. Or if something is smaller, like this size, you can then wrap it around it, stick the tape ends to each other, make sure it's not sticky, and write on it like this, and you've now labeled something else. Okay, now obviously use your judgment, use your common sense, and really make sure you know what you're doing, because like I said, you can label all sorts of stuff, but when you're labeling something, you have to make sure that it's okay to tape that thing. There are things that you shouldn't be putting tape on, and you shouldn't be labeling those things. I'm just trying to think about things around the house that maybe it's not a good idea to put tape on them. You have to use your judgment, okay? So if you were labeling a finger, or if you were labeling a rope, if you were labeling a cord, if you are labeling anything really, to be honest with you, make sure that you can put tape where you are putting tape. You have to use your own judgment. You have to do your own research. You have to use your own common sense. And remember, you're making your own decisions. So make sure you are operating in a safe manner. Make sure you're operating in a smart manner, and make sure you're doing the right thing. So yeah, if you're putting tape on something, if you're labeling something with tape, then make sure you're doing it in a smart way. Make sure you are okay doing it that way. Very simple, but I've shown you how to label something that is sort of bigger and flat, and then something that's smaller like this size. Really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And yeah, like I said, make a smart choice whenever you are labeling something with tape. Make sure you know what you're doing, and make sure you are making the right decision. And that's truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else, and I've shown you, multiple methods. Hopefully you can make use of them. But yeah, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.